So some parts run through here unheat treated, some run through T6, some through T5. What's the difference?
Yeah, the difference is 356 cast aluminum unheat treated. Guys say, well, this thing kind of machine's gummy, which it kind of does, and it might change a little bit of your choices of tooling, because when you cut it, you might not see that shiny look like you would machining a piece of billet. 6061. Now there's a cost associated going to T6. It's kind of my favorite.
Right. Because why? What happens with T6? What's it look like?
It's a darker color. It's actually a lot stronger.
Right.
But the machining, the thread quality, the finish, surface finishes, they're just easier to achieve.
So you've in the past have talked about chips. So I'm assuming if it's gummy, it's not chips. Tell me about that.
Well, it is chips, and it kind of comes off more like, you would think it's like a tearing effect.
Okay.
But there's a lot of good tooling out there that when we got to do something that isn't heat treated, PCD diamond, maybe roll form threading instead of cut tap threading. There's methods for cutting it, no doubt, because the customer might not want to,
there's some parts that can't be heat treated because they just turn into a pretzel, I mean, there's no doubt about that.
Yeah. The physical strength or the structure of the part definitely becomes a trick for heat treat.